My name is Liana Arora and I'm currently studying in class 9th of MK.Jain Smart Milestone. This school is better than other schools in many ways. In other schools or in my previous school, I too didn't get a chance to ask my doubts or take part in many activities. But in these schools, teachers see each and every student equally. They solve each and every doubt of ours. I have taken part in so many activities and I have overcome so many fears of mine. So, in this year, I have realized that I have made a great choice joining this school. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Kritika Prajapat. I study in the ninth standard of MKJC Smart. I got admission last year and I'm very grateful that I came here to study. It is better from my previous schools as my father get transferred in every third year, so I had changed many schools and it is a great experience for me to study here. My percentage got better from my previous classes. All the teachers give personal attention to each and every students. The teaching methods are also outstanding, so we can easily understand the concepts. In all subjects, the teachers give daily practice paper to improve our learning and conceptual skills. More emphasis of school is on the academics to prepare the students for competitive exams. Therefore, I suggest all of you to join MKJin classes to gain the best knowledge from expert teachers. Thank you.
My name is Preksha Manaria. I study in MKJC Smart in class 7. After coming in this institute, I had seen many changes in myself towards studies. In previous school, I do not like science, but in this school, I like science because Aarti ma'am teaches very well and properly. Our directors are also plan outgoings and activities for students. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Ronak Tenir and I am in ninth standard at MKJC Smart. In my previous schools, my marks was not good as they are now because here teachers are more supportive, caring and understanding. The toughness of the questions have been increased as the questions are for competitive exams such as KVPY and NTSE. Dr. M.K.Jain sir take motivation seminar every month as motivation is very important for the students. Many education trips are organized by our Dr. M.K.Jain sir. At last, I would like to say that my own experience is very good and I am happy. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Gundan Teli of ninth Standard is here to share my experience in MKJC Smart Milestone. It has been my first year in this school and my experience had been great. The teachers are very supportive, caring and understanding as compared to my previous school. The way and the method of teaching is great, so we understand each and everything very clearly. If we ask any of our doubt, even 10 times also, the teacher explains us in a very well good manner. We also get many motivational speeches by our Honorable Mkjcian sir. Monthly trips are also organized for our enjoyment. My results have also improved with very good percentages. I scored 96% in my recent half yearly examination. Overall, the whole faculty is outstanding. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I am Naman Shrimali of class 9th. Previous year when I was in my old school, my performance was not too good and no one was satisfied from my performance. But after taking admission in this school, my performance became very well and my marks and discipline both improved too much. In this school, we are receiving that support which is need to improve both academically and emotionally. There are some educational trips and motivational seminar by Dr. M.K.Jain sir. At last, I am very thankful to all teachers for being an amazing teacher and for their great lessons. I feel so fortunate to have been placed in your classes. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Today, I, Third Sharma of Class 8, is here to share my view about my school, MKJC Smart. Uh, I completed my first year in this school, and I feel that its administration is much better. And our administrator, Dr. M.K.Jain sir, is very kind and polite. All teachers are expertise in their field, and they teaches us in very different manner, so we can understand every concept easily. uh, regular debate competition, speeches, and motivational seminars are held here, so we can take out our stage fear. Overall, I think that my school is best, and I would like to continue my study here. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Lekhi Sanadia, grade 9 MKJC Smart. There has been a lot of improvement in my studies since I have joined MKJC. Here, my all concepts and doubts are clear, and a fear to ask any doubt from teacher is also gone. I usually face my stage fear, but it is also gone. Here, teachers are very friendly, and also we have a personal mentor that guides us at every situation. Here, I usually feel very good, and in subject like maths and science, I used to face many problems, but they are reduced by half. In subject like English, I used to make many grammatical mistakes, but they are also gone. And a boring subject, history, is turned into an adventure story. So I would like to suggest you that you should join MKJC. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Mkjcian. I am currently studying in class 9th and today I am here to share my experience with all of you of MKJC Smart. There was very much difference in education from other schools. Teachers are treating all students equally. Here I took part in many more other activities. I came out of my stage fear before coming to the school. I think that SST was very boring subject, but now I am interested in learning it. I suggest all of you to join MKJC Smart, and by being a part of it, you will be able to fulfill your dreams with joy and happiness. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Kinisha Bandari, grade 9 student at MKJC Smart Milestone. Today I would like to share that at MKJC we are prepared for the NTSE exam, which is once in a lifetime opportunity to show your knowledge. Regular classes are taken. We are provided with many questions related to the MAT and SAT examinations. The teachers teach us accordingly. To improve our general knowledge, in our morning assembly, the teachers ask us many questions related to the MAT and SAT examination. The school also conducts NTSE pattern exam and declares the result in a short period of time. The question paper is also discussed and we are provided with the solutions too. Day by day, we are enhancing our knowledge at MKJC Smart in all the subjects. Such kind of exams are conducted at MKJC Smart. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Divanshi Singh. I study in 9th class. I am a student of MKJC Smart Milestone. I feel very good that I was in MKJC Milestone. My school is the best school comparison to others because there is a special attention given to a particular student. All the teachers are experienced. Their teaching method is very nice. All the basics are clear very well. Every day DPP was given, major day test was held, and all the marks are directly sent to the parents that they know what their children was doing in the school. I joined MKJC last year and I feel that this is the best place to be success in my life. My learning skill was improved, my percentage was increased, and my basics are clear very well. I am a sport person, so I don't have time to study at home. So my all the study is done by 4 o'clock, and I have no need to do study at my home. I take so many leaves for matches, but there is no loss of study because there is an extra class for me, and I clear my all the doubt in my extra class. So I suggest you to join MKJC and make your future bright and happy. Thank you.
MKJC स्मार्ट में मैं जब आया था, जब बहुत अच्छा लगा था मुझे, लेकिन अब मुझे मैथ पहले बहुत अच्छी नहीं लगती थी, अब लगने लगी है क्योंकि आरती मैम जब आए और उन्होंने कहा कि ना बेटा आपके लिए सब कुछ आसान है, अगर पढ़ो मैथ पढ़ो सब कुछ आसान है, इसलिए अब मुझे मैथ सबसे अच्छी लगती है।
मेरा नाम दुष्यंत सिंह मीणा है। मैंने एमके.जैन क्लासेस ज्वाइन की है। पहले मेरी हिंदी बहुत वीक थी, पर अब मेरी हिंदी बहुत अच्छी हो गई है। मैंने टारगेट बनाया कि मैं 10 में से 9 लाऊंगा या 10 में से 10 लाऊंगा। सारी मैम मुझे बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ाती है और मुझे किसी में भी दिक्कत नहीं आती।
मेरा नाम लवदीप सिंह रावल है। मैं 6th क्लास को मैंने पिछले साल ज्वाइन किया था MK.Jain क्लासेस में, और मैं ये बताना चाह रहा हूँ कि MK.Jain क्लासेस में अच्छे से मैम सिखाते हैं टीचर्स, और अच्छे से समझाते हैं, जाके अपने रिवीजन भी कराते हैं और टेस्ट भी लेते हैं, और रिज़ल्ट भी अच्छे आते हैं। मेरे भी रिज़ल्ट अच्छे आते हैं, 90% तक के आए थे, इसलिए MK.Jain क्लासेस अच्छी है।
Morning, I am Hina Dangi of class 7. Last year I have taken admission in MKJC Smart. यहाँ डे बोर्डिंग प्लान चलता है। मुझे सुन के ऐसा लगता था कि मैं 8 घंटे कैसे निकालूंगी, कैसे पढ़ूंगी, और मुझे आने के बाद पढ़ते पढ़ते टाइम कहाँ निकल जाता है बिल्कुल पता नहीं चलता था। और यहाँ होमवर्क होता है, वो होमवर्क टीचर्स देते हैं, वो भी यहीं कंप्लीट हो जाता है, और रिविजन्स बहुत होते हैं। ओवरऑल मैं यहाँ बहुत खुश हूँ।
Hello everyone. My name is Kathan, but I am a student of MK.Jain Studio. There has been a lot of change in my studies after taking admission in MK.Jain Institute. Science has changed a lot after coming here. There are monthly tests and oral tests, and apart from studies, there are other activities too, like MK.Jain sir. Every month, MK.Jain sir gives a motivational speech to the student, and our teacher also motivate student in class. And there are also trips and tours, like last we went Pannada Park and Mount Abu. From my from my side, I think this institute is good.
Hello everyone, my name is Manvi Vyas. I am from grade 9. Last year I took admission at MKJC Smart Milestone and my experience was great. In my previous school, the teaching methods were not that much good, but the teachers here teach with fun and provide us many tips and tricks to learn in a fabulous manner. At MKJC Smart Milestone, SIP coaching system is also introduced, and many other competitive exams are also held like NTSE, KVPY, NEET, IIT, etc. So I suggest you to join MKJC and be a part of MKJC family, because MKJC is the place where you can create your own future. Thank you.
Myself, Khushali Kunwar. I study in MKJC Smart. I study in class 8. Last year, I joined here and felt many changes as compared to my previous school. Here, the faculty supports me for my extracurricular activities as well as in studies. Here, I feel no burden because of the SIP program of this school, and no exam burden because a lot of revisions are taken by teachers. Thank you.